this is Victor from Barber Honda, and today we're going to go over how to pair your phone to a 2021 Honda Pilot. First, we're going to have to be on our home screen here. If your screen doesn't look like this, you click the home button. Then we're going to go to settings, then connections, then to Bluetooth. Once there, you're going to see that connect new device. We're going to click on that. For this, we recommend that your phone is on the Bluetooth menu. If not there, click on that. Then your phone should show up there on the screen. Once it's there, you click it. It's going to give you a pairing code. Just verify that it's the same number and click pair. It's going to ask you if you want to allow contacts. You click allow or don't allow. Once you click, it's going to show you the connections that are checked off, your audio for phone and internet. Then you just click connect. It's going to ask you if you want your internet function on or off. You're going to connect with it. This one pulls up Honda Link Assist. This is in case of a collision, the vehicle will dial and contact emergency services. And just click enable. And your phone is now connected.